The manufacturing industry is undergoing a major transformation. Robots are becoming increasingly common in factories around the world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a big reason for this change. These robots are changing the way things are made. This increase in efficiency and productivity is a game changer for manufacturers. Robots can take on dangerous tasks, reducing workplace injuries. The future of manufacturing is all about collaboration between humans and robots. Imagine a robot working tirelessly, 24/7, without ever taking a break. This is the reality of robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA is like having a digital workforce that can handle repetitive, rule-based tasks. These tasks could include anything from data entry and invoice processing to inventory management and customer service inquiries. By taking over these mundane and repetitive tasks, RPA frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This not only improves efficiency, but also job satisfaction. Employees can engage in more stimulating work, leading to higher morale and productivity. RPA also reduces the risk of errors. Robots follow programmed rules meticulously, ensuring consistency and accuracy in task execution. This leads to improved data quality, reduced rework, and ultimately, cost savings for businesses. The implementation of RPA in manufacturing is not about replacing human workers, but about empowering them. It's about creating a more efficient and fulfilling work environment where humans and robots work side by side, each playing to their strengths. Imagine being able to predict when a machine is about to break down. AI is making this possible with predictive maintenance. Sensors on machines collect data on factors like temperature, vibration, and energy consumption. This data is then analyzed by AI algorithms to detect patterns that might indicate an impending failure. Predictive maintenance is a game changer for manufacturers. It helps them avoid costly downtime and keep production lines running smoothly. Instead of waiting for a machine to break down, manufacturers can schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing disruptions and reducing repair costs. This approach also extends the lifespan of equipment. Early detection of potential issues allows for timely intervention, preventing minor problems from escalating into major failures. This translates into significant cost savings and improved overall equipment effectiveness. AI-powered predictive maintenance is revolutionizing the way factories operate, moving from reactive to proactive maintenance strategies. It's about anticipating problems before